Hey, it's Ruu here. Today I am going to show you how to make a Paloma. Are you ready? Let's get started. Okay, so here are the ingredients that you're going to need to gather. Tequila. I have here the Tequila. Tequila. It's the Responsable, but you could also use Blanco. Grapefruit soda. I have here organics. Ice, salt, last is lime, 5 items. To make this drink, grab these tools: a highball glass, a jigger, a plate, pour spout, a knife, and this is a really cool spoon because it has a straw built in. First step, let's cut this lime in half. Also, let's cut a little section here. We're going to use this for garnish later. Set the limes aside. Next, take this highball glass and squeeze this lime around the rim. I'm going to pour the salt. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take this highball glass and dip this around. The glass should look like this with the salt around the rim. Grab the ice and fill the cup with ice all the way to the top, like this. Now take the jigger and pour 1.5 ounces of tequila. Squeeze half a lime into the glass. Grab the grapefruit soda. And there's 2 ways you can do this. You could actually pour the grapefruit soda all the way to the top, like maybe about here. Or if you want to measure it, you can. Measure this drink. We're going to add 4 ounces of grapefruit soda into the glass. Ooh, it looks so pretty and pink. Give it a gentle stir. And the last step is to garnish. And there you go, a Paloma. Cheers.
If you want to learn how to make more cocktail drinks from home, subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss an episode. Comment below if there's a drink you would like to see next.